Hi guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I will be doing a review video of Good Vibes products. So I think you guys must be knowing about Good Vibes products because it's quite popular in YouTube right now, and I have been using these products for a couple of months, I think for 5-6 months, and I quite like it. That's the reason I thought of sharing with you guys detailed review of these products. So one thing I really love about Good Vibes is that they are cruelty free brand, which is great. All of their products do not have parabens, SLS, which is great na. If we can reduce the usage of parabens, that is good na. So that's the reason I really love Good Vibes. Not just that, as I said, it works pretty well for me. I have a lot of Good Vibes products with me, so let's get started. First, I am going to talk about these sheet masks. These are actually a new launch. These have been launched 1 week back. Actually, they have got 14 variants of these sheet masks, and each one has got different purpose. For instance, this one is pomegranate, and this one is for skin damage control, and this one is grapefruit, and this one is for illuminating, and next one is lily. It says it is for radiance. So each sheet mask is for different purpose. Now I have tried a couple of them. I really like it. I don't think sheet masks create a lot of difference to our skin unless and until we use it for a very long time, but what I feel is that they give nice glow to our face because it is so hydrating. So when our skin is hydrated, it gives that glow, right? So that is what I feel about these sheet masks as well. These are really hydrating, so it gives a nice glow to our face. So I think when you are going for a party or even any function, what you can do is before doing any makeup, you can just put on this sheet mask for 15 minutes and then take it off. And I think you don't need to wash your face, but then if you feel that it is very sticky, you can just wash your face with plain water and then just apply makeup. In that way, it gives nice glow to our skin. So I really like to use these at night time because in that way I need not wash my face. It's really affordable. It's just for 100 rupees. Not just that, you guys know Purple has huge discount always, so you can definitely grab them in good discount. Last week there was a discount that is if you buy 7 sheet masks, you will get 7 sheet mask free. So that's a huge deal, right? In that way you get these sheet masks for just 50 rupees or 60 rupees. It's a good buy. Actually, you should try it out. You should try it out at least once. I think it's a must buy. So these are Good Vibes face wash. They have got different varieties of face washes. I have tried couple of them, in which I like these two very much. One is this skin cleansing foaming face wash. So as the name says, it is foaming face wash. That is, it comes out as a foam, so it is very light on skin. It is not harsh at all. Not just that, they have got different varieties of this one. I think papaya, neem, and those kind of variants are there. So this one is a good one. You can definitely try it out. Sensitive skin people can use it without any doubt, so it's a good one. Activated charcoal is so much in trend right now. Each and every product has got activated charcoal, I guess. So it is a good one. It cleanses our face very well. I mean, it really cleanses our face. That's what I feel about this face wash. I really like this one as well. Wash is 215, but then as I said, you can actually get it in half the price. This one is for 150 rupees. Next is my favorite product from Good Vibes. That is this gel. This one also has got different variants. I've got orange, aloe vera, papaya, and honey. I think I have used a couple of them and I really love them a lot because these are multi-purpose. You can use it as a moisturizer, or even you can mix it in face mask. You can just use this as a face mask itself. During night time, I apply thick layer of this gel, any one of these, whatever I have with me. I just apply thick layer of this on my face and I just go to sleep, and next day morning I can feel that my face is so soft and supple. And also, if you want, you can use it for your hair as well, especially aloe vera gel. If you want to make a hair mask, you can mix these. These retails for 170 rupees, but then as I said, you can get it for good discount. Another gel I really love is this one. This is aloe vera and lemon gel. This smells so strong, you guys. That's something I do not like much. I do not like a lot of fragrance in my skincare, for that matter makeup as well. Oh, this one smells so citric, but then apart from it, I really love this gel. This one is a little bit on expensive side. That is, it is of 225 rupees. This one is of glass bottle. One thing I do not understand about these packaging is that few of them comes in this glass packaging, few comes in this plastic packaging. Prices are the same, so I doubt why is that so. Anyways, these are shit. Thank God it's not broken. Anyways, these are really good products. I think you should definitely give it a try. I highly recommend it. So this one is Good Vibes Ka moisturizer, and as you guys can see, packaging is so good. Again, these are glass bottles with pump, and retails for 225 rupees. It's a good moisturizer. Only thing I do not like about this moisturizer is that it has got strong fragrance, but then the product itself is really good, especially it is very light on skin. At the same time, it moisturizes and hydrates our skin pretty well. That's something I really like. So if you're someone who do not like fragrance a lot, please stay away from it. I'm not a person who absolutely hates fragrance, but then I prefer products which doesn't have much fragrance. This moisturizer fragrance is too strong, you guys. This one is a foot therapy cream. I was having huge expectation when I got this product, but then the fact is that, oh shit, oh my god, my life is a mess, you guys. My life is a mess. As you guys have seen, this cream is so liquid, and I feel that it doesn't work much for our food. For food, since our skin is really dry there, we need some thick moisturizer, so it doesn't work well, you guys. Really disappointed with this product. Next one is a raspberry hand cream, and honest, it didn't show much difference on my hand, maybe because my hand is already very rough. As you guys can see, it's very rough and dry. But then if you have normal hands, if your hands are not that dry, you can definitely try this out. It's a good one, it's not that bad. So next one is my favorite product, and that is the face serum. They have got variants of these. Favorite one is this rosehip oil, and this one is my third bottle, you guys. Third bottle. I absolutely love this, especially during night time. I mix this with a vitamin C serum and I apply it. I said they have got a lot of variants, so you can choose the one you want. The one is vitamin C and vitamin E. So it is age-defying serum. Got tea tree and papaya serum, and so they have got another oil control serum. So each and every serum has got its own purpose. So I would suggest you guys have a look at all these serums, and you guys know what is your skin problem and choose the one according to it. Then I will highly recommend you guys to get this rosehip serum because it would suit all skin type. That's what I feel. It makes our skin moisturized and hydrated, and I think in long run it would helps to prevent wrinkles as well. So it's a great one. Next one is this Good Vibes Ka face mist. I have actually ran out of it. As you guys can see, it's really good, you guys, especially during summers. It's so relaxing. I always keep one of these bottles in the fridge and I just spritz it all over my face. And the same way, I also like this cucumber toner. It's got no alcohol, which is something I really love because most of the toners have got alcohol in it, which in turn makes your skin more drier. It's got no sulfates, parabens, it's cruelty free, which is great. It's a Good Vibes Ka sunscreen, and this one has got 30 PA triple plus. So 30 is not enough for this summer. I think you need 50, but then if you are someone who uses sunscreen at home, 30 plus is more than enough. It says that it contains goodness of aloe vera, green tea, cucumber. It is with sun blocking, anti-aging, skin protecting agents. A lot of claims. So the best thing I like about this sunscreen is that it is not a thick one, and also it doesn't leave a white cast on our face, which is great. It's just like a moisturizer with sunscreen. So actually I feel that it's very moisturizing as well, and also it doesn't make our face sweaty. So if it is okay for you to use 30 plus, it's a good one. My next favorite is this Argan Oil. This is my second bottle, guys. I have been using this on my hair regularly. Every time I wash my hair, I make it a point that I mix this Argan Oil with my hair serum, Live-On hair serum. I mix this Argan Oil in it and just apply it on my hair. In that way, my hair is frizzy throughout that day. So I really like this. Argan Oil is a multi-purpose thing. Definitely use it on your face and your hair. So it's a good one, and this one works. This one really works, especially for my hair. I have experienced it. Next one is a charcoal powder. You can use it for your hair as well as on your face. I like it. It's a good one actually, especially if you want your face to be really clean. You can just mix this charcoal powder into curd or milk or rose water and just apply it on your face and just wash it off after 20 minutes, and you can feel that your face is really clean. So I like this one. Next one is Handmade Soap. I have used a lot of variants of it. My favorite is definitely charcoal. It's a normal soap, like nothing much, still it's a good one. So this is essential oil. I have used lavender essential oil, tea tree one, orange, I think I've also used eucalyptus. So these are something I always try to use essential oil to my hair. Whenever I make a hair mask, I try to put on 2 or 3 drops of any of these essential oil, and I have been using Good Vibes essential oil for 5-6 months. I don't know if there is much difference because of using this essential oil, but then it hasn't harmed me in any way, so I think it's good. I am assuming it is good. So next I have got oils with me. Whenever I take a head bath, I make it a point that I do oil massage my hair very well. So for that I do mix a couple of oils, maybe 2 or 3 oils. For that I use coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, sometimes this black seed oil. So most of the times I use Good Vibes ka oil because I have it. You guys can see I've used half of the bottle. So my major problem is that I have got frizzy hair, so I make it a point that I apply lots of oil, and I do take good care of my hair as well, not just scalp. One oil I particularly apply on my hair, I mean like ends of my hair, is this keratin oil. So keratin oil is something which helps to focus. So keratin oil is something which helps to make our hair smoother and softer. So I've been using this for like a month, and it's good. So if you are someone who like to mix oil and apply it to your hair, you can definitely give it a try. There's nothing wrong. It's a good one, and also it's very affordable as well. So then we have Good Vibes lip scrub. It's just nothing but sugar. You do not need to buy lip scrub if you have sugar at your home. Just mix a little bit of sugar and lemon and just scrub will be more than enough. But then if you are someone who prefer buying lip scrub, this is a good one. Again, as I said, it's just sugar and lemon, that's it, nothing more. And also we have got lip balm. I have tried 2-3 variants of it. Comes in a normal jar packaging, and it doesn't have any tint as well. I love to apply lip balms with tint. It's a normal lip balm, nothing much to say. So that's it, you guys. So these were the products I have used from Good Vibes. Altogether I do like this brand very much. As I said, these are actually good products. Not just that, these are affordable as well. So I'll be leaving all the links in description box, so please do check it out in case if you want to. And also if you guys have tried out these Good Vibes products, please do let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this brand and these products. Whatever it is, good or bad, whatever you feel like, you can just put it down there. I would love to know your thoughts. Not just that, it would be helpful for other people as well. So that's it, you guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.